challenging for a while. It was kind of inevitable that a second wave was gonna come around. Feels like the summer went by like this, and I think I'm having that like existential crisis that everyone in their mid-20s is having right now, where it's like, what am I doing with my life? What have I done with my life? Where is life going? Thanks Best Dressed for really putting me in the mindset today. It was a great video though. It was a great video though. So I don't want to be a complete buzzkill. We are going to take advantage of this opportunity tonight. Plans were almost canceled, but it's the last hippie market tonight and I definitely want to go. I want to support some small businesses while I can. I'm wearing a mask as always. I'm scared. Why is this the biggest workout I've had in weeks? So I'm not just having a glass of this for no reason. This brand sent over the nicest PR package today and I was like, you know what? It's a sign I need to have a small little beveragino in honor of all the good times that happened this summer and all the good times that are still to come, and just enjoy tonight. Take it for what it is. I'm literally just having like this much. That is tasty. And now I need to get dressed because it dropped like 10 degrees and my outfit that I had in my mind is not gonna work out anymore. Very fall, very spooky vibes, so you know, we are just embracing it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm starting to think my friends like have canceled on me because I haven't heard from them in a little bit and we're supposed to be meeting in 20 minutes. Let's go. Always finding furniture with a map. That's so cool. See, Daniel, I'm not the only ones that think furniture on the side of the road is cool.
Trash is cool.
Showing me a shirt to match mine. Wow, love that. Last time and I told her I loved it.
I'm pretty sure the shorts I have are these.
Nice. Those are nice. You should get the
all my pieces are negotiable and I take card as well.
Thank you. I feel full on Halloween vibes right now. Literally could be wearing this right now and would not be overheated.
For the next app race.
Yeah. Whenever that will be. Last time it was the sweat, this time it's the runny nose. This is Canada. So weird. Good morning, this afternoon. I just figured while I have the opportunity, I might as well be real with you guys because I've watched a couple vlogs recently where there are people that I really admire and their lives seem like so put together and everything, and like COVID hasn't affected anything, and them just being transparent really, you know, it's kind of comforting. Like obviously it's not nice to see people doing not well, but I just feel so gross yesterday, and I was watching Devon's vlog and she was talking about like how she didn't feel the most confident in what she was wearing, and to me she just like, what's the word, exudes confidence like always. So to hear her say that just kind of like really was an eye-opener that we're going through some weird shit right now all together. And man, I literally feel so disgusting every time I put on clothes right now, and I need to fix that. And I know it's just like this vicious cycle of me not fixing it, and still, I don't know, I've been eating good, I just haven't been moving my body enough, and I want to start doing that, but I'm lacking the motivation. Hopefully we can motivate each other, guys. But I was pretty good last night. I didn't buy anything. I just kind of wanted to go to get out of the house because that's something I'm trying to do too, just safely. Alas, we are here at Value Village because I have a shit ton of donations to do. Clearing out, cleaning out spaces and stuff like that, and I just realized there was a lot of stuff that I didn't want to post on Depop. I don't need anymore, so we're gonna get rid of that today. And of course, we're gonna pop in. I looked at my wardrobe this morning, and maybe it's because I'm feeling like crap, but I didn't want to wear anything. So maybe we will get some inspiration. Gonna mask up. Just realized I forgot to get my coupon because they have the bins out. So hopefully I can still do that because I got some finds, you guys. Let me give you a sneak peek. I'll insert the TikTok footage here, but I just picked up this shirt, which is very Mary-Kate and Ashley reminiscent, as well as this one. Just easy things to like throw on for the fall. So cute. And some other fun things. Ooh. Oh my god. I don't know what this means, but it's a little too much for me. Ooh, I just came back. This is kind of cool. So quickly popping in here because, again, I didn't intend to buy clothing, but just because I'm trying to make the most of my outings these days. I got 3 more mirrors. Who else is surprised? I don't know. You guys will see those here. They're really cool. I will show you where I'm thinking of putting this one. I want to put it in the living room because right now we've got a lot of like circles going on in there and I feel like we need some more like sharp-edged shapes. Hopefully it works out. The 2 other zebra ones have no clue where they're gonna go, but they're just zebra. They're part of the family. They belong on this channel in my life, so that's my justification there. I picked up 3 tops and they're all really reminding me of like Mary-Kate and Ashley movies and good times. So the first one is this pinstripe multicolor slash just like warm multicolored shirt, and I think this will be really nice with just like some jeans, leave it open, or with like a little bra top underneath. It's by New Woman Design and it's just got like a lot of shape in the front, which I think is really nice for like a shirt because you don't see that all that often. This one I happen to come across. It's by Susie Shear and it is so cute and on trend for right now. It's vintage though, so I love it even more, and this pink is freaking cute. Cute. And this one's by the brand Cactus. This is the freaking cutest tag ever, guys. And it's one of these like, I don't know if you want to call it like a newspaper print shirt with the bedazzlement. To me, this is just very much early 2000s. This is like what the early 2000s is to me. And that's all we did. We donated, we got rid of a lot in my life. This is all for Depop if you guys were wondering about that mess. Really trying to declutter over here. Yeah, that's the situation. First I sanitize, then I remove, and then we wipe down. You guys know this is nothing new for me. Purell, wet ones. You know, if you still want to sponsor me, I will gladly accept it. I know you probably don't need sponsorships right now because your products are in high demand, but this has like been always the routine. I don't know where to now. I only have like half an hour. Do we go to Home Depot or do we go to the fabric store? Yeah, I should save the fabric store for the next video. Guess to Home Depot we go. Plant mom. So lush. Who remembers the Love Island season where all they said was lush? Are these easy to take care of? Because that's cute. I don't know. Looks kind of wild and out of my comfort zone, to be quite honest. I feel targeted right now. This song is creeping me out. Picked up Daniel. He is currently at his physio appointment. I'm starving. I need to eat a proper meal, but it's just been one of those days where we've been like out a bunch. And yeah, I'm just trying to get stuff done because I'm getting kind of worried that we're gonna go into some sort of like partial lockdown situation here in Toronto. I can't control what's going on in the world. I can just let you guys know what I'm doing. So we're being super safe, wearing masks, limiting where we have to go only if it's like necessary right now. But we do need to get groceries. So that's what we're gonna do because we need to stop ordering food. Alright, so these are the 2 plant babies. It's official, I'm a plant mom. We got 1 watermelon plant, which I feel like she's gonna be tricky to maintain, but I love watermelons and I just thought this was like the cutest little plant ever. It's like the perfect size. I don't want anything too big because Daniel and I are constantly like moving stuff around in this house and like don't want to get dirt everywhere. And then I got this, which is a Sansevieria, which I'm hoping is a snake plant because I've heard those are the ones that are easy to take care of. So let me just do some researching real quick here. Okay, it's a snake plant. Beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get that plant app that everyone has been talking about. And tomorrow we're gonna do some painting and some DIYs and putting stuff in place. I also need to find a pot that's big enough for this because I don't think I have one. So fun. I'm a plant mom. Added some extra protection. I feel like I might have inhaled just a little bit too much spray paint. So I mentioned to you guys a lot, and especially emphasized it in my last video where we redid my sister's college room vases you can get for so cheap at the dollar store. No, at the thrift store. Seen that already in the vlog and in the vlog that's to come up. Yeah, it's fine, it's a long story. But I have these guys right over here. One I want to use for my basil, which is not looking too hot right now, but Rachel's reassured me that they like to be dramatic and they come back to life very easily. And then I want to just kind of experiment with the two other ones because they were just $1 and I have all this paint left over from that last video. I'll have the colors linked down below that I'm using. This isn't sponsored, the last video was, but they just kindly gifted me a hugely generous amount of paint. So I'm figuring why not make use of it and do some fun little crafts with, you know, minimal risk. So here are the befores. We love a sphere clear vase, great for yin yangs. This one was already this purple, which I thought was really nice because I got like a lighter lilac from Dixie Belle, but nothing in this shade. So I kind of want to see if the lime will work on this. And we are playing around with a cube because I feel like this is one of the most generic vase shapes that you can find for like $1 at the thrift store. So I think I'm gonna stick with like the grid formula and do kind of like the checkerboard print on this one. I think it would be cute on like a bar cart to like put stuff in. So ideally you would be an artist and this would be a lot easier for you, but we're just freestyling today. I don't know if it was the paint fumes or just the vibes today. I have on like a really retro 70s playlist, so maybe that's it, but I just like totally zoned out. We finished the little smiley face one, which is looking cuter than I expected. And I just kind of went ahead and went wild. Groovy vibes on the sphere here. I'm gonna continue it on. It's kind of inspired by my phone background, which is this little retro print that I found on Pinterest. I'm gonna carry on with that. I've brought up the extra colors that were downstairs and I will let you guys know when it's done. I think this is the coolest one I've created. I pretty much just went with the checkerboard print that I have been obsessed with recently, and I thought that I would need to like measure things out or like use tape maybe, but honestly I just kind of freehanded it and I like the way it's turning out. And again, it's not something someone's gonna be like staring at like closely, I don't know, unless you're giving it as a gift, then maybe measure things out, but I think it's looking kind of cute. This was definitely the most therapeutic of them all because, you know, it was just easy. And then I'm gonna pearlescent glaze this guy, which is turning out really, really cute. I like how I left like a little bit of it clear because I think I'm gonna use this as a candle holder. And then we've got the smiley guy over there.